We are in Lee, Nebraska, my hometown, my farm, and this is where I grew up. We are just about 10 miles south of Ansley, and this is where my husband and I are hoping will be our future homestead. We had egg-laying chickens, we had pullets, so as a young child, it was just fun. My opinion and my relationships with the customers really matter. You know, it's not something where someone looks at a balance sheet and makes a decision.
The more that we can be out and visit with our customers, know their operations, then it's just a lot easier to communicate the things that we can offer them to help them.
People that have been with us for a while understand who we are, and they expect us to do the same for them, to understand who they are.